Okay, so for number 4, we're looking at a prism again. And so the surface area of a prism, remember, is 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter times the height. And so the area of the base is going to be 1/2 times the apothem. It's a regular 20gon, and so it's just going to be times the apothem times the perimeter. And then we're going to use the perimeter again times the h, and the h is given to you as the altitude of the prism, which is 10. So all we need to find is the apothem and the perimeter. And once we do that, we can put it into our calculator and get an answer. And so we draw a 20gon. In a 20gon, one of the angles, remember you can just do 180 minus 360 divided by 20, which turns out to be 162. So one of the angles is, when we cut that in half, is going to be 81 there. It says we have a side length of 5, and so this entire side length is 5, which actually means we know the perimeter right off, right? Our perimeter is just 100. And then half the side length is 2.5, so we can go about finding the apothem using that half the side length by writing the equation tangent of 81, because apothem is the opposite side and the 2.5 is the adjacent side, equals apothem over 2.5. So the apothem just equals 2.5 times tangent of 81. So we can just put in 2.5 times tangent of 81 into our formula. Our 2 times 1/2 cancels out. 2.5 times 100 is just going to be 250. So this is going to be pretty easy to type into our calculator. It's just going to turn out to be the 250 times the tangent of 81 plus 1,000. When we do that, we get 2,578.44 is the surface area of this regular 20 prism with a regular 20gon base.